Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Guarda wallet account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your Guarda wallet application and make sure to log into your account. After you're signed into your Guarda wallet application, you will be able to see this interface. Remember that there are no accounts in Guarda because it's a non-custodial crypto wallet. It does not store any of your information on its servers. So if you want to delete your Guarda wallet account, you can simply delete your Guarda application or uninstall the application and also delete the backup. Simply go ahead and hold the Guarda wallet application from your device and tap on the remove app button. In the pop-up, tap on delete app in order to delete your Guarda application from your system. Once you uninstall the application and delete your backup file, no one will be able to access to your wallet. If anyone gets hold of your backup file, then they will be able to restore your wallet back again. So make sure to keep your backup files confidential. So that's how you can easily delete Guarda wallet application from your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.